welcome. With me is Oukitel WP36, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating Add. Then click on this icon of a plus at the bottom left corner, and firstly, to add an audio file, select Files. Now, to look for your file, you can always click on Audio at the top. Select one of your apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner and tap on one of those categories. Either way, after finding your file, just hold it and hit Select at the top right corner to attach it. In order to add a video one, hit Gallery section instead of Files, look for your video and click on it to add it. You can always select Folders at the top, look for your video here and click on it as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!